What's up, guys? So, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I just kind of wanted to make a sort of short video on some recent acquisitions I've gotten from my buddy Connor, actually. Custom Farmers, if you want to check him out on social media, Custom Farmers, look him up. Does really good work, young guy, obviously into four-wheel drives, really into John Deere 9Rs, and does really cool stuff. So I did some wheeling and dealing, and we got some nice big blues here and a Deere from him as well. And I've got a implement to put behind that Deere I'll show you guys in a little bit. So first and foremost, let's just go with this guy. So this is a narrow frame, and I did touch on this in the Lafayette video a little bit. So narrow frame New Holland here, check it out. Hood open, so obviously we're using an authentic chassis here. Hood opens, got the weights up front, nice looking painted up seat in the cab there. Good looking detail all the way around. Just nice looking paint. And this thing probably needs to be on a planter for pretty soon here on the old farm, don't you think? I think so. Super cool. I don't know, like I'm kind of trying to decide what planter to use. You know, blue, so probably a Kinsey, right? I mean, that makes sense. The question is, what kind of Kinsey? I really want to do one of those 24-row forward fold box planters, you know, that Kinsey had. And I think that's on my list to build. Actually did the row units for one. I just got to kind of finish the rest of it. You know, to be honest, it's a ways off, but it's something I'm interested in trying out anyway. I think it'll be cool. So, anyway, I just love the little details here. Like, check out the exhaust detail he added. Added some extra lines and stuff like that. They're just really neat stuff. Just to dress that tractor up quite a bit. And then, obviously, make it New Holland. Let's go ahead and do the John Deere first. So, wide row spacing, first of all. And, obviously, this is an injector tractor. So, you would have your nutrification engineer running this thing on the farm. And, shout out to my buddy Pierce on that one. And he doesn't do that anymore, but anyway. Nice handrails, nice flashers. Of course, you've got the scratch-built pump unit and all that set up, or, you know, sort of thing here. Here's the implement I was talking about going with it. Check this thing out. Super cool, I think. I love it. It does mount on the 3-point nicely, if I can get it to do so without messing things up too bad. Okay, maybe I won't on camera. I'd hate to do something wrong there. Check out Toolbox up front. Pretty neat stuff in general. Like this setup a lot. You'll see this on Dogtown at some point. Definitely going to be a Dogtown. Not necessarily a tractor that you'll see often, but it's definitely going to make some appearances on Dogtown. Really cool 3-point hitch and all that sort of stuff. Just love it. And then I also have the other hose attachments for this that he made, and the hose reel that he made as well. So really cool, really excited for that. And then, last and certainly not least, is big boy New Holland here. Really cool tractor here. So he modeled this off a tractor that he sees up in Michigan where he's at. So the farm does some unique stuff to their tractors. So first off, you're going to notice the Green Star globe, right? Maybe a little odd for a New Holland. Check out the light detail he did. He actually pulled those away from the cab. Here, let's do that. See if you can see it. Pulled those away from the cab so they kind of stick out better, look awesome that way. Now, check out the tire setup. So this real farm that he modeled this tractor off of does the tire setup like this. So really unique and cool and interesting, I think. So 3D printed wheels and tires, those look very good, I think. Nice flasher bar on the back. Of course, we got the mirrors. Actually knocked a mirror off. It's over on the workbench. I've got to put it back on, but I kind of thought, well, if I'm going to do this video, I might as well not put that on because I'll just end up knocking it off again. So here's a really neat detail. You might have noticed a couple white splotches. Some here. That's bird poop, guys. Yeah, that's right. That's bird poop. So he put bird poop on the tractor. I mean, it's not real bird poop. I hope it's not real bird poop. But what a neat detail to add to a tractor. Now, it's going to be hard to see inside, but you can see some things in here. We've got some drinks, Dr. Pepper, you can see, and then there's my Dr. Pepper, and Toy Farmer, I mean, and then over here we go, cooler for your lunch. Well, I mean, it's little stuff like that that you put on the inside. How cool is that, right? So really neat, really creative, really fun. Can't wait. This thing is going to be on Dogtown Ag pretty much permanently. I've got some serious uses for it. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this short video. I just kind of want to take a second and, one, again, thank everybody for the support, especially for you guys that have made it here 5.5 minutes in. Two, I kind of want to apologize. I haven't been up on things, up on messages, up on posting videos, up on posting on social media a lot lately. So I think most of you know, back in January I had COVID, and so I guess apparently there are what they call COVID long haulers, and it's people who don't necessarily get over the symptoms so quickly. And I guess it turns out I'm one of those, because I'm really struggling with some things, particularly memory, and particularly I keep having like reoccurring bronchitis, so that makes things difficult, and it makes me not feel well, and it makes me not very energetic. So I just apologize if I've missed something, if I've missed a message. I get about 140 messages a day through various social media, and I'm when I'm feeling well, I'm pretty decent about keeping up, but I'll be honest, I just haven't been lately. I just haven't felt good. So I really apologize if I've let some things fall through the cracks or whatever, and we're working on getting that solved. I've got some help. My wife has stepped in to help big time. I've got a buddy that's stepped up to help. So we're trying to get caught up with everything and all that. And like I said, I apologize. I just, I don't know, just not felt well and kind of got overwhelmed all at once, which, you know, is because you guys have been so awesome to me. And so, but you know, when you're kind of tuckered out in bed, it can be hard to get some stuff done. But anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Sorry, we're up to 7 minutes now. So if you made it this far, sure appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Lots of good stuff coming, I promise. I've got some new reviews coming real soon, I hope. I'm expecting some new items to show up here at the world headquarters within a few days. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Have yourselves an awesome day, and happy tractor hunting.